Hey, what's up guys? My name is BrainBean. Thanks for joining me for another review video. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the Cougar Attack X3 RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. And this is one that kind of took me a little bit by surprise. So let's go ahead and just take a look at this thing. The Cougar Attack X3 is a 104 key mechanical keyboard. It features full N key rollover with a 1000 Hz polling rate and a 1 millisecond response time. Now looking at the keyboard's construction and design, I found the Attack X3 RGB to be extremely lightweight. And while the lightweight feel and the cheap feeling plastic along the top and bottom sides gave me a reason to question the quality of the keyboard's construction, the brushed aluminum metal backplate makes the keyboard surprisingly pretty sturdy and it offers very little flex. I like that the board is relatively compact for a full-size keyboard and it looks nice and clean on my desk. I would have liked if the logo on the top of the board would have been illuminated, but it's not a huge deal breaker. The Cougar Attack X3 does have full 16.8 million color RGB backlighting that's controlled by their UIX software. Keep in mind the flickering on the lights that you see is from the camera and is not something that's visible to the human eye. I found this keyboard to be surprisingly robust, offering you not only a standard set of 3 custom profiles and custom per key illumination, but each profile actually has its own set of 3 lighting effects that can be saved and toggled on the fly, giving you essentially 9 profiles to cycle between. And it's a good thing too, because there's really a lot to choose from. As an added plus, you can save all of these profiles on the keyboard's onboard memory so you can take them with you on the go. The Attack X3 uses Cherry MX RGB switches that use clear switch casings, so coupled with the keyboard's exposed switch design, it makes for a really nice lighting effect, similar to what you would see on the Corsair K70. The keycaps are one of my favorite things on this keyboard. The font is sort of a clean minimalistic style mixed with the stretched looking bold design of Corsair's keyboards, but not nearly as unpleasant to look at. All of the secondary functions are nicely illuminated, which is something I always like to see, and the overall feel of the ABS keycaps on the Cougar Attack X3 is really nice. Like I mentioned before, the Attack X3 uses Cherry MX switches and is available in blue, brown, red, and black. There's really not a lot I can say that hasn't already been said about the quality of Cherry MX switches. They're just so well made and they still continue to be the industry standard for quality that all manufacturers try to emulate. I chose to get the Attack X3 in red switches, which have an actuation distance of 2mm, total travel distance of 4mm, and an actuation force of 45 grams, and of course they have a lifespan of 50 million keystrokes. As is customary on the channel, here's a quick sound test of the Cougar Attack X3. The LED indicators on the Attack X3 are nice and simple, consisting of 4 clean, nice white LEDs. The underside of the keyboard has 4 rubberized pads and 2 rubberized extendable legs, and because of how lightweight the keyboard is, I would have liked to have seen a little bit more grippiness on the underside of the keyboard, but it still stayed pretty well in place during use. The cable is nicely braided and splits into 2 gold-plated USB connectors. One is labeled as power and the other is for the keyboard's functions. However, the keyboard worked just fine for me with just one cable connected. Another interesting thing about the keyboard is it looks like it has a place for a USB pass-through on the back, but there's simply just not one there. And it's kind of weird, but maybe that's something they plan to add later on or on a different future model. Now, since we're talking about extra features, the Attack X3 doesn't really have too much to offer in this department. There's no removable wrist rest, dedicated macro or media keys, or even simply a keycap puller in the box. But you do get media controls by way of the function key, and you can also save up to 30 macros on the keyboard's onboard memory, which is good for taking your keyboard to something like a LAN cafe and still having all your macros ready to go. Overall, the Cougar Attack X3 RGB took me completely by surprise. At first glance, it might seem like a pretty plain board, and while it doesn't come with a lot of fancy extras, what it does offer, it does a really good job on. The software is very good, and the Cherry MX switches are ultra premium as always. And the keycaps are not only beautiful to look at, but they feel really nice on your hands. At just over $100 depending on which type of switch you go with, the Cougar Attack X3 has earned a place as one of my most recommended RGB mechanical keyboards for around $100. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I'm curious to know what you think, so let me know in the comments down below what you think about this Cougar Attack X3 for this price point of about $100. Consider giving this video a like if you enjoyed it to show your support, and if you're new here on the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button because we've got a lot more videos coming your way in the near future. You can also follow me on Twitter at BrainBeanGaming to stay up to date with what's going on with the channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.